So, do you know what those objects have in common? If you guessed aluminum, then you're right. This video shows the life cycle of aluminum foil, which we use in our everyday life. Here are 5 facts about aluminum foil. It consists of 99.99% aluminum, which is the most common metal and the third most abundant element in the Earth's crust. It does not occur as an element, but in bound form in bauxite, and it is electrically conductive. Aluminum is mostly used for transportation, for example planes, vehicles and trains. It is also used for construction, also foil, and food or medicine packaging. 13% is used for electrical engineering, 9% for machinery and equipment, and a little amount of aluminum is used for household objects and other consumer goods. 35% of the worldwide extraction of bauxite takes place in Australia. In the second place is China, extracting 20%. Then there is Brazil with 14%. Guinea and India, each extracting 8%. Then there is Jamaica with 4%. There are also other producers, such as Russia and Kazakhstan. However, the world's largest bauxite deposits are in Guinea. Bauxite is typically mined from relatively shallow open pits. The first step is preparation of the mining area, where topsoil, vegetation, and overburden are removed. Then, scrapers and small excavators are used to remove the remaining overburden and expose the cap rock. The crushers then break the bauxite into smaller pieces, and ore conveyors send the crushed ores to the refinery. And last but not least, the mining area is rehabilitated. The first step of the mineral processing is the Bayer process. Dry bauxite and the sodium hydroxide solutions are mixed together. Then the mixture is stirred in an autoclave for 8 hours. The resulting aluminate complex is separated from the aluminum silicate and iron oxide. Red mud is the product. The next step is the filter press. The product is a clear aluminate solution. Then the seed crystals are added and the aluminum hydroxide is stirred again. The last step is the rotary furnace. There, the aluminum hydroxide is heated up. This produces alumina, also known as dialuminum trioxide. The second step of the mineral processing is the fused salt electrolysis. A mixture of cryolite and alumina is introduced into the electrolyte chamber. The current flow between the graphite electrodes and the chamber lining produces carbon dioxide and liquid elemental aluminum. This liquid aluminum is then poured into ingots. The used aluminum products receive a second chance at life thanks to the recycling process. In the first step, the scrap is collected. It is then sorted, where non-aluminum material is removed. The crushers then shape the scrap into cubes. The scrap is then turned into molten form by high temperatures. And in the last step, the molten aluminum is shaped into ingots at 700 degrees Celsius.